My husband and I wanted a sport that we could play together and enjoy, so we decided pickleball was gonna be it. So we got ourselves a set so we could get started. This is the Brooklyn Pickleball Co-Set, and it has a cute carrying case for your things, pockets, a strap, and then with this set you get 2 paddles. Here's one, and then the second one with this design on it and a grippy handle. And these are carbon fiber paddles. And you also get 4 of these pickleball balls. So between the balls, the 2 paddles, and the carrying set, this is everything you need to get started on your pickleball journey. This is really a great set for anyone who has maybe never played before and just needs everything in one to get going. Maybe you have played a little bit and you just want a nice set and everything you can keep with you, so just grab it and go on a Saturday morning on your way to the courts. Either way, I would highly recommend these. I think these are really high quality and it will get you started on your fun game.